Hi, this is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on ringtone volume panel. Also, we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but to use them, be sure that in more section and in both the volume button function you have selected ringtone volume. So now let's try with the help of the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, and we can see that we can make it successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.